Good evening. Tonight I have nut washer and bolt assortment from Harbor Freight. It lists what it has: number 5, number 6, number 8, M5, M6, M8, various lengths. I bought this to have an assortment around the workshop in case I needed to put something together. I know that sounds generic, but better to have it around and we'll have to run out and get something. So I wanted to show you. Very well put together. These close really tight, which I like. Tells you which bolt is in which container. So, how do I like this? Actually, I like it a lot. I wish it had more smaller pieces. I think there's another pack that has smaller bolts than this one does. But it's all together. You have all your washers and your nuts here in one place. I actually steal the washers out of here all the time for other things, and also the nuts out of here for other things. Okay, so here's the assortment. It tells you what's in each place, each container, and it gives you, there's 5 of these, 50 of these, 20 of these, 30 of these, and matching nuts and washers. I use these a lot, but I do wish that there was smaller sizes. I think there's another pack of these Harbor Freight sells that has the smaller sizes. I just haven't picked them up yet. I find that I steal the washers and nuts out of this all the time, but that's no big deal. I'm not going to use all of these anyway. It'll work out in the long run. So it's a nice set, nice holder that seals up, keeps everything from spilling. 460 piece. I think I bought these at Harbor Freight for $5.99 on sale. And they have several assortments like this, and eventually I'll buy them all. I'm very happy with this. I'll show you how hard these are to open. I like that the pack closes good. Stays closed. When you close it like that, it acts the top down and tight, so that very seldom do the nuts and bolts hop compartments. So for $5.99 you get this assortment of nuts and bolts and washers. If you're building a lot of small projects like I do, these come in handy. You don't have to go and buy specialized hardware. For $5.99, it's a great deal. I keep it around the workshop, and I find uses for these all the time when I'm building small projects. So it's a good deal, holds up well, has a nice container, so it's worth $5.99 to have it around. It's much better to have this than having to run out all the time and get stuff specific to a project. So 460 piece, great deal, highly recommended. If you like these reviews, please like the video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.